How to block suspicious Venmo account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Now, blocking a suspicious Venmo account prevents the user from sending your payment, requesting money, or interacting with your profile. Now, if you believe an account is fraudulent or scamming users, you should also report them to Venmo support. What you want to do is, first thing first, open the Venmo app. Use the search bar in the Venmo app to find the user of the suspicious account. You have these at the top. Next, you just want to go to their profile page and select the three dot in the top right corner. After which, you just want to make sure to locate the block from a drop-down menu and confirm the action when prompted. And this is how you're supposed to block suspicious Venmo account. And if you have been targeted by a scammer or see unauthorized activity, you could go to me section from the bottom right, and you want to go to support. After which, you just want to make sure to select settings and go to get help or chat with us in the app to report the account as well. If a stranger sends you money, you do not send it back yourself. Contact Venmo support to handle it, as this is often a scamming involving stolen credit card as well. So that's how you're supposed to block a suspicious Venmo account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.